y'all, welcome back. Thank you so very much for being here. I hope you're having a wonderful weekend. If you are new, welcome. My name is Nikki and we do all kinds of fun unboxings here. We do a little bit of everything from beauty, fashion, lifestyle, jewelry, pets, snacks, and everything in between. So if you enjoy subscription box unboxings, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. We'd love to have you join our YouTube family. And y'all don't forget to go ahead and hit that notification bell so you are notified when I upload. And please don't forget to give the video a thumbs up. So as you can see, we have the Cure Crate for June 2020. I'm so excited. I opened this box last month for the first time and fell in love with it. Now, Cure Crate does send this to me for review, so thank you so very much, Cure Crate. I do greatly appreciate it. You guys, this box is fantastic. We had such an overwhelming positive response to last month's unboxing. Bringing it to you again to share. And I'm going to remind you guys a little bit about it, and then we'll see what we have in the actual box. So I'll put the link and everything down below in the description. But this, again, is a personalized CBD monthly subscription. It is $60 a month with free shipping. You can get that a lower monthly rate if you go ahead and prepay for 3, 6, or 12 months. But they deliver an individually curated selection of CBD products. It's going to be 4 to 5 full-size products. They understand that CBD is not one size fits all. So they have you start, when you sign up, by filling out a quiz so that they can know exactly what your needs and wants are when it comes to using CBD. They then create your crate and follow up on how you like the products, which I think is fantastic, so that they can then tailor every month their forward even better. So I think that's a really nice touch and not something that you see a lot of boxes do. But you're gonna get new products every month. It's top rated and quality tested CBD products. And CBD has been shown to improve mood, help you to sleep, help you to relax, as far as stress or anxiety. It can help with pain. The anxiety and pain are the biggest parts for me because I do suffer from anxiety and I have rheumatoid arthritis and fibromyalgia. And I do notice that CBD does help with my RA, fibromyalgia, and anxiety. Now, it's gonna be different for everybody. So just because it may work for one of my conditions doesn't necessarily mean it will work for yours, but there's a chance. So in my opinion, if you have any type of chronic pain or anxiety or trouble sleeping, it's worth a shot. So that's my thing, is why I even tried CBD to begin with. And like I said, I found that for me, I do notice a difference. So I like trying new CBD products. They usually do include like educational material in here as well. So I like that too, because like they say, not all CBD is the same. So you may be taking CBD in one form and then have it in another, and you may want to know the difference of how it could affect and work, and the different dosages, things like that. So let's get in here and see what we got for June 2020. So when you open it, this is what it looks like. So it says, "Hi Nikki, we hope you love your crate. We strive to satisfy your curiosity with a diverse range of CBD products tailored to your individual wellness, taste, and needs. And the retail value of my box this month is $169.98. So that is one thing to keep in mind, because this is personalized. Not everyone's going to receive the same thing. So if you were to sign up for the June box, you may not receive these same items that I have, because your quiz may be a little bit different. So you can use, and I'll put this again down below with the link, but you can use promo code Nikki Johnson, and that will save you $15 off your first crate. So your first month. But let's go ahead and get in here and see what we got. So the first thing I'm pulling out here, this is from Holiday. These are CBD gummies. They are vegan and THC free. That's one thing to keep in mind. THC is not usually in CBD products. That is the component in marijuana that gets you high. you're not going to get high from CBD. These are 10 milligrams per gummy, and the serving size is 1 gummy. There's 20 in here, so it says calories 10. So let's see what it says here about our gummies. These are fruit CBD gummies. This bottle of 10 milligram gummies come with 3 delicious and bright flavors: cherry, orange, and lime. They make a great on-the-go treat. So this is something that I would like, you know, to maybe have in your purse or something or whatnot, so that if you are on the go and say your anxiety starts to flare up, you could get you a gummy and hopefully it gets it under control. Let's see. Then we have got, this is from Southern Apothecary, Breathe Deeply Roller. This invigorating massage roller is perfect when applied to the throat and chest before workouts, combining a carefully selected blend of essential oils with 50 milligrams of CBD. Let's see what else is in here. Apply to skin. We love it on our temples, back of the neck. It's got 50 milligrams of CBD, full spectrum of cannabinoids, and terpenes, organic MCT oil, which is coconut, organic therapeutic grade essential oils. So let's open it up and see what it kind of smells like. So I'm wondering if it's going to be like peppermint or maybe eucalyptus or I'm thinking it's almost like a, I can't pinpoint that, y'all. It's almost like lemon, eucalyptus, and maybe a hint of mint. It smells good. I will say that. It does smell good. So, rub that in. All right. And then we have got, this is from Blue Forest Farms Organic Lemon Drops. This lemon tincture is specifically formulated for inspiration with 300 milligrams of CBD. Our team likes to take a full dropper to combat the midday lull. Serving size is 2 droppers, so 1 ml, and there's 10 servings in here. Take 1 dropper 1 to 2 times daily as needed. Store in a cool, dry place. I'm wondering, because, okay, this was on the card because I noticed how this had like the number 4 right there. So our number 4 tincture combines CBD with other rare cannabinoids to create an uplifting, energizing effect. Inspire may offer a user a boost of sustained energy throughout the day. That's good to know. All right, and we have one more item in here. And let's see, this is from Manitoba Harvest. This is a peppermint mouth spray. This product is a great way to refresh your breath and easily, effectively absorb CBD. Each serving, which is 4 sprays, has 5 milligrams of CBD, perfect for before meetings, dates, and bed. And it's got about 60 servings. So 4 pumps is the serving, and it's got about 60 of the 4 pumps. Let's give this a try. Get this off and we will see what this is like. All right. So that's what it looks like. Okay. Ooh. it says spray, so I was expecting it to be like, but it kind of came out like in drops. So maybe I need to, I'm definitely getting mint now. At first it was a little bit of a bitter taste, but I'm getting mint now. So I don't know if I just need to do something maybe from sitting in the box and traveling in transport. It's settled and it needs to be fixed, but there goes the mint, that's fresh. Y'all can't smell my breath, but. So we got the gummies, we got the roll-on, we got the breath spray. My breath smells really good right now. And then we got the lemon drops. So those were the 4 products that I got in my June 2020 Cure Crate. Can't wait to see how these work. I'm very excited. The roll-on smells really good. Still trying to pinpoint exactly, because like I said, I feel like I'm picking up some lemon, maybe some eucalyptus, maybe a little bit of mint. Either way, it smells really good. I'm excited to try the lemon drops and the gummies. So let me know what you guys think down below. I love hearing from you guys. Again, like I said, I will put a link and that promo code to save you $15 off your first box. Definitely go ahead and check them out. I hope you have a fantastic rest of your weekend, and I will see you guys on the next one. Bye.